Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Creating a successful Spotify playlist involves more than just selecting songs. First, focus on a specific genre or mood to target a particular audience effectively. Ensure your playlist has a cohesive flow by ordering songs in a way that transitions smoothly. High-quality cover art and a compelling description using relevant keywords can improve discoverability in Spotify searches. Promoting your playlist across different social media platforms and Spotify community forums can also help attract more followers. Regularly refreshing the playlist with new tracks keeps it relevant and encourages continuous engagement.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.